Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2014 Dodge Journey RT and I will show you how to remove and replace the battery in a key fob. This video will apply to Dodge Journeys made from 2011 all the way up to 2020. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now the first thing you want to do, you want to separate the fob and the blade, and you will do that by sliding this pin to the side and pulling the blade out. And now the next thing, you just have to separate the upper part and lower part of the key fob. Now I have this really small flat screwdriver, but you can use pretty much anything, even a kitchen knife. And what I like to do, I just like to get here in between and just, like I said, separate it, right? And do it on the other side as well. And that should do it. If you're having problems, if you didn't replace the battery for a long time, then just gently try to pry it all around here, right? Around the edges on both sides, okay? And now separate these two, and here is the battery. And again, to completely remove the battery, just pop it out. And the replacement battery you need, it's a CR2032, and you can buy it at pretty much any car part store, electronic store, Walmart, eBay, Amazon, and anywhere. And yeah, that's it. Once you have the new battery, you just pop it back in. Okay, and install back the cover. And insert the blade inside the fob. And that's it. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.